If you have medical background, please keep in mind na maraming positions na open for medical virtual assistant. If you want to start working from home, the very first step na kailangan ninyong gawin is alamin ano ba yung malapit sa inyo na industry, ano yung kabisado nyo na, at ano yung ginagawa nyo doon sa industry na yun, at ano yung transferable skills na pwede ninyong gamitin as a virtual assistant. So as an example, si DV daw is a medical practitioner, which means familiar ka na sa industry na yan. Ibig sabihin na kasunod na lang talaga na kailangan mong alamin is ano ba yung pwede mong i-offer na service as a medical virtual assistant. Si Virtual Teammate, marami silang open positions, iba-iba yung roles, pero medical yung sinaservice na industry. If you check their Facebook page, they're pretty new. But if you scroll down, makikita nyo na dyan may mga hiring sila, and all you have to do is click dun sa mga link na nakalagay dyan. So kapag kaganyan, you check the job post, you research about the company, alamin nyo kung ano ba yung mga hinahanap nila. Self-assessment, kaya mo bang gawin yung role, and then you apply. Paulit-ulit lang siya na cycle.